Nín ho, huyên lái dạo wen ye yibene yerevate hui.
What Mingzi Shirla Rahul.
And Washer Renita. Jintian women jiang shenru jiha chitsuan hagong chai hor GD&T de shiji.
Renita, Nimning Jesher Isha Shinmi Shir GD&T Ji Chi Zhongyao Xingma?
Dang, Zahun, giáo dục và tê đại bio dé chun hé nichi. Tờ si dài nghe trang túi sàng quân dé mi sù lính jin dé chun. Xính doan hé in pin ki dé y dét hằng gờ FNF. Dinh ký si wái y dét hằng gờ dùm dé jánh. Nghe tráng xình tờ lái qua cơn dé suy bù jìn dé dài ít bình dàng gnu dù. Jismi ghe bù jìn dé dì dào phni kun dài suy chi bí.
That makes sense. So, it's like giving specific instructions to make sure everything fits and functions correctly?
Exactly. GD&T tell manufacturing staff and machine what degree of accuracy and precision is needed on each controlled feature of part. Like you see on drawing board, this drawings is requesting manufacturing to drill a hole of 15 millimeters from datum A and 18 millimeters from datum B. Hole diameter must be 10 millimeter plus minus 0.5 millimeter and position tolerance of hole must be within 0.2 millimeter.
What are datums and what is their primary use in GD&T?
Datums in GD&T are essential reference points or surfaces on a part. They serve as the foundation for measurements and ensure parts assemble correctly. Think of datums as the anchor points in a coordinate system, helping to control the location, orientation, and form of features.
Renita, would you mind making it more simpler and please help with some illustration or example?
Here we go. A datum is the theoretical exact plane, axis, or point location that dimensional tolerances are referenced to. Here datum A is theoretical plane or reference surface from where height 10 millimeter is measured. Let's take an example here. In this drawing, hole is positioned with respect to datum A, B, and C.
Renita, I somewhere heard about 3-2-1 principle in datums. Would you please explain that?
Good question. I was about to go there. Thanks for asking up front. The 3-2-1 principle in GD&T is a method used to define the datum reference frame for a part. This principle ensures that the part is properly oriented and constrained for measurement and manufacturing. 3 points. Primary datum establishes a plane by placing the part on 3 points. This plane restricts 3 degrees of freedom, which is translation along the z-axis and rotation about the x and y-axis. 2 points. Secondary datum establishes a second plane perpendicular to the primary plane by contacting 2 points. This plane restricts 2 more degrees of freedom, which is translation along the y-axis and rotation about the z-axis. 1 point. Tertiary datum establishes a third plane perpendicular to both the primary and secondary planes by contacting 1 point. This plane restricts the final degree of freedom, which is translation along the x-axis. In summary, the 3-2-1 principle uses 3 mutually perpendicular planes to fully constrain a part in space, ensuring accurate and repeatable measurements.
Many thanks, Renita, for this valuable insight about GD&T and datums. I am looking forward to learn more.
You are welcome, Rahul. I am delighted to share further. Next time we'll discuss about control frames, form features, profile features, orientation, and location features.